Hey guys, this is a 20. Hey guys, this is 22nd December, and I just seen one epic shit, and that just solidify me that I don't want to be here. I just want to be like go to somewhere. Wow, I mean this is so scary. But yeah, so for the like update for today is that I didn't open any sets, and as usual, that's like not new, but I'm just not working on my intent. I think so. That's what I need to just keep in mind. But I think I feel a lot of progress has been done on me. Like I'm not latching on to go to the wings or something, and I can also see the areas of improvement in this one also. So yeah, I can also see the area of improvement in myself when I just come outside, and those are there. But I think I need to work more on intent. But today is like my last day here. For 30 days I'm in Bali, so I'm just gonna rock it over there, and that's it. I think I'm just so excited, and let's see. And in here also it was like very walking, and I'm going there. I'm just gonna work for like 5 hours, and then I'm gonna just do game on other times, and that's what I plan to. Let's see. Wow, and like I'm just calculating how to become a billionaire, and um, this is like just runs on my brain that if I do this, how to optimize my ways to just uh, how to optimize my way just to reach there, and like to become a billionaire, and that's it. I'm gonna be there, but I just have to sit with these emotions that I'm not able to say it aloud, and that's what I'm gonna work. But I mean, it definitely, and I can also see that. I think what happens is I'm not focused. When I'm just focused, it just comes out, and okay. I think when I'm just looking for control, I'm just controlling my reaction. I'm not focused. I'm looking my okay. So my focus is on the other side. I think I need to focus on the video, and yeah. So I think this is gonna work, and I. I don't have the urge to just go to the wings or something like that. That's a very good thing from before days, and today it's like very good improvement that I see. And yeah, it's gonna take some time, so I'm just gonna give it time. I don't know when, but whatever time it's gonna take, let it take. But I'm also seeing that I'm not just going for it. So that's where I need to focus more on, and I think today I'm gonna extend it till 8 minutes, and let's see how it goes. It definitely feels just to avoid and just to run away, but I just like stay with it, and just do more. There are a lot of things that I'm working, and I need to also handle this also. So there are 2-3 things that I just want to do, and I also have the mind that I'm becoming a shark in a very small pond, and that's not a good for me. I just want to go to the ocean and become a shark over there, because let's say I stay in my little group over here, and I'm running very good over here. And if I just stay here, there's no progress. I just see stagnation in me, and that's what I don't like. So I'm just gonna moving out like before my birthday, maybe on Feb. I don't know, but maybe on 14th Feb I'll just plan to go to Dubai. That's it. Fucking let's see how it goes. Yeah, done. I'm gonna book flights now and that's it. That's it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go there and feels like a rich country. Let's see how it is. And then I'm planning to, like, that's my way to go to like this zero tax country and then make money and then go to US with H1B visa. And I'm gonna do like in next 1 year, I think this year end or something, or maybe next year, like next 2 years. But I'm gonna go. Okay, but yeah. Am I controlling my? Am I people pleasing by saying this? No, I think these are my words and this is my YouTube, so who cares? Yeah. So these are my goals that I'm just thinking a lot, and I just have tools, but I know no need to focus on tools because this can be achieved from other ways also. Like maybe this channel also grows and I achieve that. So there are a lot of ways, or I just get I don't believe, but it's possible. So tools, don't think about tools. Don't hang up on tools. Just think about your goal. That's it. Don't think about tools. That how you're gonna reach. If you stick on tools, then it's gonna become like tool to the thing, and you're just gonna focus on that. You're not gonna focus on your goal. So yeah, tool can be a medium to just from one to one jump in another like different tools. So that's what my thoughts about how to progress, and this is definitely a worse not worse, but this is very challenging for me. But I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna stretch it till gate number 4, like till maybe 10 minutes or something. And yeah. And also I had a very bad day today. I didn't work on my ethics. I broke one ethics today. So that's that, and that's what I feel very sad. But and I also look very handsome today. So that's like a plus and minus thing. Yeah, I need to just focus on my my body a little bit more. So yeah. Yeah, I need to also focus on how to just stop the mind, and which I'm not able to do right now. But it's a very good thing also. I'm just always optimizing that how I do this, and that's what I have lived my life. So it's gonna be pretty hard for me to just chill. But I think I'm doing games, so that's gonna help me to get there, and gonna help me become like full circle. And I'm also gonna have like my haircut and everything scheduled on Bali, like So these are very good things to focus on and to maintain. I didn't maintain here, but I'm just gonna have like 1 hour extra in my gaming session to just go about it and just do it, and then just stay with it. So yeah, definitely I see my progress is there, but I also see stagnation. It's quite natural, and because all of my like body level, low level dreams have been achieved, so there's no point from there. But I want to have more petty level things which I just dropped in before. Like let's say I just want to have Rolls Royce, and I just dropped that dream somehow. But now I just have to get on it and how I look and something. But yeah. But yeah, I definitely don't want to be staying here in India for like this is done. I'm just moving out, and that's it.